Big news coming in. Rhea Chakraborty has been granted bail. Remember, earlier her judicial custody was extended till the 10th of October, but now we are just receiving information that she's been granted bail. In fact, I'm going to try and go across to Sandhya to get fresh information on this right now. Just the update coming in here on Mirror Now that Rhea Chakraborty has been given bail. We are still waiting to hear more information on whether her brother also has got bail or not. She's been in jail, in fact, for close to a month now. The important part here is that Rhea Chakraborty is facing judicial custody for a drugs procurement case. Her bail plea had been rejected earlier on several occasions, but right now we are getting to know that finally Rhea Chakraborty has been granted bail. We're waiting to get more information on this. This is with regards to the NCB case where Rhea Chakraborty was arrested on charges that she had links with alleged drug syndicate and she facilitated drugs procurement. Based on those inputs, NCB had arrested Rhea Chakraborty. She was in judicial custody. In fact, her custody was extended till 10th, but now we are getting to know that Rhea has been given bail. Disha Shah is joining me on the phone line. Disha, this is a big update that we are getting right now on Mirror Now that Rhea Chakraborty finally has managed to get bail. Take us through the details, please.
Well, that's right. Today, as we all know, that the Bombay High Court was supposed to announce the judgment of the bail application that was filed by Rhea Chakraborty as well as her brother Shouvik Chakraborty. And what we understand that the Bombay High Court has granted bail to Rhea Chakraborty. She was, of course, booked under various provisions of the NDPS Act. And this is what we know so far, that Bombay High Court has granted bail to Rhea Chakraborty in Sushant Singh Rajput's case. Remember, Rhea Chakraborty's lawyer has been till date claiming that there is no sufficient evidence that the NCB has found against Rhea Chakraborty and she has been targeted clearly. So this, of course, after the marathon hearing which took place on 29th of September, where a lot of arguments did really take place between Rhea's lawyer, NCB's lawyer as well. And the court had reserved the verdict for today. And today what we are being, understood that Rhea Chakraborty has been granted bail by the Bombay High Court. The bond of rupees 1 lakh. So that is, of course, the new information that we are bringing to our viewers. In fact, on the other hand, her brother Shouvik and Basit Parihar's bail has been rejected by the Bombay High Court because remember today, along with Rhea, there were 4 other accused in this case whose bail applications were being, the judgment was being pronounced. So right now, Rhea has been granted bail, but as far as her brother Shouvik Chakraborty is concerned and Basit, who is known as the alleged drug peddler, for both of them, the bail has been rejected by the Bombay High Court. So we will have to, of course, wait for the order copy as to on what grounds the court has rejected bail for Shouvik and Basit. But as of now, Rhea has been granted bail on the Shouvik bond of
Disha, thanks for joining us. I'm going to go across live to Sandhya because Sandhya has tracked this information for us and I'm going to get in further inputs from Sandhya. Sandhya, at this point, we are getting to know that the Bombay High Court has granted bail to Rhea Chakraborty but rejected bail for Abdul Parihar and Rhea's brother Shouvik in the NCB case. Take us through the latest information, please.
See, Afrida, if we talk about Shouvik Chakraborty, Rhea's brother, he was also actually facing the allegations under Section 27A of NDPS Act, which means illicit trafficking, financing and harboring drug-related people and activities. So that's that one thing which was actually strongly opposed by his lawyer as well. But clearly, court has rejected that argument, so his bail plea is rejected. As far as Abdul Basit Parihar is concerned, according to NCB, he was a drug peddler and he was the one who used to supply drugs to not only Shouvik Chakraborty, but also to other people in the industry, in the Bollywood industry. And that's why NCB said that as far as Abdul Basit Parihar is concerned, his role is much more than giving drugs to just Shovik Chakravarti. As far as Riya Chakravarti is concerned, it's a big relief for her. She has been granted bail by Bombay High Court. Remember, Afrida, before this, on 2 occasions, she did apply for bail. First was on 8th of September itself, when her bail was rejected by a Mumbai court, and this was the same day when she was arrested, because that day NCB did not even ask for her custody from the court. Second occasion was when she moved to special NDPS court in Mumbai, but on as far as that application is concerned, that also got rejected on 11th of September. And talking about this third application, when the bail was argued last week, at that time also NCB strongly opposed the bail, because NCB since the very beginning is maintaining that how Riya Chakravarti was actually a member of an active drug syndicate which is supplying drugs to Bollywood, and they need to get more information about the fact that how all this is connected, because in the middle also, in this case till now 20 accused have been arrested by NCB, and in the middle also a couple of accused custody was sought by NCB when they went to JC, and Shovik Chakravarti was one of them. So that's that one argument which was given by NCB in the court, Afrida.
Okay, so Sandhya, are you telling us that there is a distinction between the provisions under which Shovik is booked and those under which Riya is booked? Because clearly Shovik has not been granted bail at the moment. So was his role greater in this drugs procurement case, or his alleged links with drug kingpins? That's one. And also tell us who else has been granted bail. I believe Samuel and Dipesh Sawant also have got bail now.
See, Afrida, as far as the sections are concerned, both Riya and Shovik were actually framed under the same sections. Now, as far as the court is concerned, we'll have to wait for a detailed order to understand that what exactly made the court think that Shovik's role is much bigger, or he does not deserve to get a bail. That is something we'll get to know only once the court order comes. And yes, you're right, Samuel Miranda, Sushant's house manager, and Dipesh Sawant, Sushant's house help, these two also have been granted bail by Bombay High Court. Now, as far as their role was concerned, Samuel Miranda was facing the charges of procuring drugs on behalf of Shovik Chakravarti and Riya Chakravarti for Sushant. In fact, when NCB was actually when NCB was asking for the remand of all these accused, at that time, in fact, actually NCB went ahead and said that Riya and Sushant both were purchasing and procuring drugs from these drug peddlers via Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant. So that was their role, getting drugs, according to NCB, getting drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakravarti on behalf of Riya and Sushant and Shovik from different drug peddlers. So that was their role. But as I said, a detailed argument will clarify everything, the grounds of bail for that matter, Afrida.
Absolutely. And this has become a case on its own merit now, because any links with the murder angle, at least as of now, is not under consideration after the forensic report that does not establish any foul play, and that clearly indicates suicide by hanging. So this has become a separate case of drugs procurement in which Riya and Shovik Chakrabarti got entangled by way of investigation into Sushant's death. We are getting some fresh inputs coming in. Let's quickly listen into that.
कंडीशंस बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट लगाई गई है. हमें पासपोर्ट जमा करना है, तीनों आरोपी को पासपोर्ट जमा करना है, तीनों को हाजिरी देनी है पुलिस स्टेशन में, और उनको मुंबई के बाहर जाना होगा तो एप्लीकेशन करना पड़ेगा इन्वेस्टिगेशन आयोग.
कहीं ना कहीं लंबी लड़ाई थी, लगभग आप देख रहे हैं जैसा केस की सुनवाई के बाद जैसे एनसीबी ने कार्रवाई की, लगभग 1 महीना बीत गया जज जेल में, तो कहीं ना कहीं बड़ी जीत आप लोग के लिए कह सकते हैं. आपके
जब आरोपी को बेल मिल गया तो ये सबसे बड़ी जीत ही हो गई है, पर उस जजमेंट को भी देखना पड़ेगा क्या कारणों से और क्या कोर्ट ने हेल्ड किया हमारे फेवर में, वो जजमेंट आने पे ही पता चल पाएगा.
सर, जिस तरह से एनसीबी ने आपके क्लाइंट को अरेस्ट किया था, क्या आधार उन्हें दिया था, क्या उनके पास से क्या मिला था,
उन्होंने
थोड़ा डिटेल में.
दीपेश सावंत के पास से कुछ भी मिला नहीं, नहीं कभी एनसीबी का केस है कि उनसे कुछ मिला है. उनके कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स के ऊपर वो रिलाई कर रहे हैं कि जैसे उनका केस ही ये था कि जब भी कोई पार्सल आता था तो दीपेश सावंत को बोला जाता था कि बिल्डिंग के नीचे से कलेक्ट कर लो, कोई बाकी वो बट वैसे वो जिसके पास काम करते थे उनके वहीं से उनको इंस्ट्रक्शंस पे वो कलेक्ट करते थे. हमारा केस पहले से भी ये रहा है कि ना हम परचेसर है, ना सेलर है, ना हमारा किसी चीज़ से फाइनेंस से भी कोई लेना देना है. आई एम जस्ट एम्प्लॉय हूँ मैं, और जो उनके कमांड में आता था वो काम करते थे, उससे ज़्यादा उनका कोई रोल भी नहीं था उसमें. हाँ
सर, ज्या प्रकारे आज
Well, so bail has been granted to Riya Chakrabarti with a surety bond of 1 lakh rupees. Remember, Riya has been lodged in the Baikala jail since the 9th of September. So close to a month that Riya has remained behind bars.